I think this thumbnail right here that I'm hovering my mouse over is pretty interesting. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit search by thumbnail. And now it's gonna pull up a bunch of other thumbnails that were similar to that giant tractor thumbnail. In this hypothetical scenario where I'm role playing as a farmer making a video on my tractor, I now have good inspiration on how I could angle the camera to make the tractor look big and on what would do well. Also, you don't have to type in something. You can also just search by an image. And if you're ever on YouTube and you see a thumbnail you like, you can just copy the URL to the video and paste it there and search with that thumbnail as well. We thought of every single use case and put it all into here.